Spain. Told you he's from Spain.
What do you think?
Remember what I said? He's from Spain.
He is from Spain. But he was talking English. You didn't think he was going to talk to you in English.
I want to do it again.
Go ahead, play it again.
Hello, Bubba. Happy birthday. 5 years old now. Are you being a good boy? Did you get a lot of gifts? I hope you did. Have a great day, which you already did. It's a little late. But anyway, happy birthday from your big brother Dylan from Spain. Love you very much.
That's the best, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Dylan. Love you. Say bye.
Bye-bye.